In August, as wildfires tore through Maui, people throughout Butte County and the Butte County Sheriff's Office immediately felt a connection to the events unfolding there.
As soon as I started seeing reports of what was going on in Maui, it brought back memories of what we experienced during the campfire. And as that event progressed and I saw more and more what they were experiencing, I began to realize that they were going through almost exactly what we were going through almost 5 years before that.
Sheriff Honey immediately knew our department wanted to help. Through the Governor's Office of Emergency Services, Sheriff Honey was connected to Maui County Police Chief John Pelletier.
We've had an opportunity to speak on the phone a couple of times, a number of text messages back and forth, just trying to offer him support and where appropriate or where possible, give him the benefit of the experiences that we had in hopes that perhaps it'll make what they're dealing with a little less challenging.
We also received a request for the assistance of a coroner's investigator. And through her experience in both the Camp Fire and the Bear Fire, BCSO coroner's investigator Jennifer Celentano was able to help. She was one of just 4 coroner's investigators from throughout the country who was asked to assist.
Out of tragedy comes experience, and experience allows us to help those in Maui, and they really needed the assistance. They had no idea what they were dealing with. I went, I believe, 5 days into the fire. As soon as I got there, I started processing DNA.
I wanted to help because I've gone through that myself. My wife and I both lost our house.
Captain Brett Marsters was one of more than 40 BCSO employees who lost their home in the Camp Fire. After learning of 16 members of the Maui Police Department losing their homes, he knew he wanted to help.
After the campfire, we always take vacations in Maui, and every year we go back and we spend a week or 2 weeks there. And after the campfire, going to Maui was a place that seemed normal for us. It helped us get through the campfire, and then seeing the devastation that happened out there. I think I just wanted to do something that would support them and what they went through, because we went through the same thing.
And the department responded. Over the course of a couple of weeks, we were able to raise $10,000 to send to the Maui County Police Department.
It's kind of one of the ways that we want to commemorate or recognize the anniversary of the campfire by doing something positive and good for somebody else, given the fact that we had received so much support from outside law enforcement agencies when the campfire struck us.